What is up, guys? And finally, I have gotten the intro correctly, because, yeah, it's been like so long since I've actually gotten the intro correct. So, happy that that's finally happened. Anyways, today we have a Fat Islands update log that we have to go through, that we're going to have to go through today. So I'm going to bring you guys along for the ride, and let's get started. Basically, I have it put on here. They introduced first of all, they introduced the ruby sword, which is pretty cool. So it's in the anvil, as with literally every single other weapon in the game. Like literally, somehow, for some reason. And like, it should be down here. It's like the ruby staff, but like, no. It's like a more advanced ruby staff. You know, there's no way I'm going to be able to craft this. Because look at this. 20 ruby scorp scales. That is so much. You know, like, that's so much. And there's also 200 iron. That's fine. But 20 ruby scorp scales is going to be, like, way too expensive. That is way too over the top. Let's go in order of what we can actually do, just like the last update log. There's also, as in, like, the previous island building episode number 6, you guys should check that out. We did a ton of stuff. We did the dungeon, and I finally got an opal pickaxe. So, like, yeah. We also got this red orb, and I ended up naming it. I ended up calling it. You can actually now rename them here if you click on this edit icon, and then you can like edit it. So that currently leads to the airport. So yeah, and you can rename it. So that's that's good. So now that gives you some more customization allowance. So yeah, there's also the quest changes. There's some quest changes. I don't do quests. Like, I don't know, I just don't do them. You can now cancel a quest after you start them. Start it. Okay, good. You can go over here then. I think. Hello. Good. Abandon. You can now abandon or get rid of quests. That's pretty cool. And it actually puts it in the completed. I think they should add like another section here that's like abandoned quests. Like, yeah. There is an indicator to NPCs. I don't really know if I'm gonna like check that out. Grow flowers for Foco. I'm not gonna do that. Added indicator. Okay, no, that's it. Quests now regularly refresh. Did they not refresh before? Well, I guess now if you have a bad quest and you don't want to finish it, it'll refresh regularly. I don't know how often, but they just say that it's going to refresh. So maybe like once a day, I don't know, daily quests. What would be cool is that some quests would like refresh slower and some quests would refresh faster, I guess, I don't know. There's also now added, okay, that stuff, and change the recipe for and tax for the Teleseller. Let's take a look at the Teleseller. So basically the Teleseller is like, you can put it at like your farm, and then you can select what item you want to sell. It's the industrial merchant Teleseller. And then it'll basically just like sell it for you, if you know what I mean. It'll like, yeah, basically it's just gonna sell it for you. So now it's instead of, now it's gonna be 20 red bronze ingots. Yeah, so 20, I can't read today. Now it's going to be 200 red bronze ingots, 10 steel plates, and 1 pink sticky gear. That's pretty good, you know, like, I'm pretty sure that is cheaper, because I for some reason remember it used to be 500 red bronze. I don't know. There's also, they reduced the tax. Yes, of course, this is a tax. From originally 30%, which is actually kind of outrageous, down to 10%. So that's more like normal. Then I have day and night changes. So let's take a look at that. We have, of course, you saw the day and night thing. I think they kind of listened to my recommendations, because the last Islands Update showcase thing, you know, I kind of like showed, I said that, they need a change and the scaling. They now said visual changes to the day and night cycle UI, and yeah, if I feel like it, if the editor feels like it, Yifei the editor. Here's a photo on screen of the before, and the after. So, like, yeah, if I feel like it, if the editor feels like it, Yifei the editor. Here's a photo on screen of the after. So, like, yeah, if I feel like it, if the editor feels like it, Yifei the editor. Here's a photo on screen of the before, Here's what it looks like, what it looked like before from the first Islands Update showcase. And now here's what it looks like now. This is pretty cool. So I guess they kind of changed it around, put a reset button. So like if I change it from day to night, then you can click on reset, like a little undo button. That's weird. Wait a minute. Well, yeah, that's kind of weird. When I'm in this menu, I can't like turn. I'm trying to like, you know, turning, you have to hold right click and then you can turn the camera. Yeah, you can't really do that right now. Like I'm holding it, like you can hear it, and I'm gonna move my mouse around and it's not working. Like, why? Help. Okay. So anyways, they also, yeah, they added a reset button to day and night cycle to continue the time of day, and toggling a day and night no longer affects crops and fireflies. Oh my god, before could you like hack it and then like turn the day and night and then your crops would instantly grow? Oh my god, that would have been sick, dude. Why did they remove that? I'm joking. Oh yeah, of course they removed that. Now let's go to this. Bug fixes. Pro Game Pass owners now receive their coin drops via server announcements every 20 minutes. So that's what I said last time too. They might have listened to my recommendations. Last in the Islands Update Showcase number 1, it actually it didn't actually display that I got coins. Actually, we're gonna have to wait 20 minutes in the server until it actually displays. But last time I said that it should show the Pro Pass. I'm pretty sure I said that it should show every time Pro Pass gets them. Here's a little recommendation. Automatically remove areas after you get his totem. Like, I don't know why he's still here. Anyways, they also renamed wood, regular wood, to oak wood, which is, yeah, I thought that was kind of weird, but I kind of just lived with it. But now it's called oak wood, so that's good. They also had some other stuff, you know, like rock mimics. Let's take a little look at that. Oh yeah, by the way, last in Islands Building episode 6, I said that I would test out the Spirit Spellbook. I actually already did test it out, you know, and it's pretty cool. That was nice. It's pretty. Wait, is it single hit, not splash damage? No, I think that's gonna make me use the title spellbook. The thing that I noticed about this is that it's the exact same as the title spellbook. Like, it's basically the same. Also, for the rock mimics, they have been spotted before Island. They seem to be better at hiding. So what I think is they're going to start spawning inside the like caves where they spawn. But this guy isn't that good at hiding. He's asking to be killed. Yeah, he's literally killing me. Added more rock mimic variants. So, yeah, see, before it was just like a coal one, and now we have a gold one. Can I kill you, please? I would prefer to kill you. Haha. But I think I might. Actually, no, I just like this. This Spirit Spellbook is just for flexing purposes. Like, why would you ever get this? It's like, you know, like, why? So they have more variants. They changed the method of rock mimic spawning, and they added some custom sounds. Oh shoot, I need to turn the sound. Oh my god, that scared me so bad. Oh my god. Anyways, is that a rock mimic? No, that's not a rock mimic. Okay, well, I see another rock mimic right there. Oh, sorry. Oh, we have another. Oh my god. Did you hear that? Did you just hear that? Wait, I don't think the desktop audio is actually on. Oh shoot, you guys actually can't hear it. But oh my god, look, it's in its hiding mode. It's like hiding right now. That's cool. Oh god, how do I get this to like? Give me a second, be right back. Technical difficulties. Okay, I don't know if you guys can hear it, but I think, oh my god. The sound just kind of sounds kind of creepy. It's like, sorry. But like it sounds kind of creepy. I guess that's what you kind of want. Oh my god. Oh, I thought that was the mimic. I didn't think that it would be that one. But the noise is kind of creepy. Sadly, I can't get the desktop audio to start working. but it is much more fun to fight now. I can confirm that, in my opinion. But these rock mimics are actually pretty cute, kinda. But there's also some other stuff that they released, like the crop market news. Come on, let's go for the weekly crop market news. Okay, sadly for Halo, wheat prices have decreased to only 5 coins instead of 7 coins. Wait, didn't wheat prices at the beginning of Islands used to be 5 coins? Okay, well, anyways, tomato prices are on the rise. They're at from 9 coins to 14 coins. I think they kind of did the crop market news just so that, like, they could have a longer update log. But, I mean, it's good for me. I get a longer video now. And they also said Farmer Cletus was recently heard whispering about potato prices. So, I mean, I'm pretty sure it, like, went up recently, right? Let me check. And never mind, I quit. I don't think they actually, I don't know. I think I've heard potatoes before. Anyways, there's also more than that. There's some hotfixes that released. They said on the 25th, this is like a hotfix. They said, release the following hotfixes. Renaming teleport orbs should now work again. Limited quest indicator count should not cause a lag for large wheat farms now. So, what? I don't know what that means, but okay. Release the following hotfix. Refineries, example, the Red Bronze refinery, should now function. Oh my god. Yay. Did you guys? Wait, okay, you guys didn't hear it because the audio is broken. Yeah, it's freaking broken. I hate you, OBS, but, like, now did you see that just, like, showed an image, and it gave, like, that, you know, like, that sound that little sound effect that plays when you get, crystallized iron? That's the same sound that plays when you get the, I want to see what happens if you mine one of the rock mimics. Never mind, okay. We'll do that later. Okay, so now they also said, release the following hotfix. Crate packers should now save their current selection state again. Rejoin your island for these to take effect. They also released a mega load of hotfixes on today, actually, on the 29th, the day of recording, at 2:09 a.m. my time. Okay, dang. Adjusted destinations for portals. No more falling into the Slime Island portal. Spirit Spellbook is now level locked by magic. Let's take a look at. Yep, level 40 crafting recipe. All rock mimics variants now drop their ore. Boss spawn locations are now randomized. Yeah, that's why I saw the. Actually, no, I wasn't even. Oh shoot, I forgot to film that. But like earlier when I was testing the Spirit Spellbook, yeah, because I tested the Spirit Spellbook before doing it in the video. But when I tested it, I tested on the I spawned the Slime King, and he spawned on like the edge. So I think they should make sure that they won't be able to fall into the void. Spirit spawn locations are now also randomized. Increased coin reward for the Catching Fireflies quest, and item cap on cactus seeds has been lifted. Because, like, I don't know how long ago they implemented that, but, like, finally. Actually, I don't even know why I'm saying finally, but, like, it's just been. Wait, Farmer Cletus sells cactus seeds? You know, that's. Oh my god, you used to have to get them from quests. Okay, then, well, that's it for today's video. But before I go, I'm just gonna. Is this broken? Oh, okay, good. Let's see what happens when you try mining okay, yeah, sorry, I can't talk today. Let's see what happens when you try mining. Oh my god, I literally cannot talk today. Okay, so, guys, let's see what happens. Oh, you know, I give up. Okay, I'm just not gonna talk about that. So let's go up to this rock mimic. Okay, let's say that. Okay, guys, let's see what happens when you try to mine a rock mimic. So here we have a golden rock mimic. That's mad at me. nothing happens. You can hear me clicking on it. Well, I think it's time for you to die. Get out of here. Get out of here, mate. Thank you. Well, that's it for today, folks. And I'll catch you guys later. Bye.